Hi, following a healthy diet is not difficult, and that is the message I would love to convey to all. It is basically how you eat and in what way. If you try to inculcate that habit in your daily life, everything, in fact the parameter changes, and plus you become healthy. You start enjoying, because what happened, your body feels healthy. As a result, it shows on your face and everything. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today I am making a beautiful, easy salad, you can say, but it is actually a Panzanella salad, and it's a Tuscan recipe, and you're going to just love it because it is very delicious and very easy to prepare. So let's begin with it. This Tuscan style classic Panzanella salad casserole, you're just going to love it because it's very easy to prepare. So I've just taken a baking dish and I'm greasing it. Yes, it's a cooked salad. Here I'm dropping colorful red cherry tomatoes. You can add normal tomatoes also, then chop it into a bit of big chunks. Some yellow tomatoes. Yes, I had yellow tomatoes, so I'm dropping some yellow tomatoes. You can drop whatever color of tomatoes you have, because every tomato has it adds a different flavor to the dish. Sliced garlic goes into it, lot of garlic goes into it, and here I'm adding some sliced onions. These are actually roundels. I've sliced the roundels of the onions, and I've just literally opened the roundels. And this is the special ingredient. Yes, this is the toasted bread. I have simply toasted the bread. This is my multigrain bread I have used for that, and I have toasted, and I have literally sliced that into cubes. If you want, you can first slice it and then roast it in your air fryer or in your oven, whichever you want, whatever way you want. I have used my normal toaster for this. And now I am going to drop some herb into it. I had thyme, fresh thyme, so I'm adding that. That would give a lovely flavor to this. If you have rosemary, you can add that. If you have basil, you can add. Here I'm dropping some salt into it. Yes, you need to add salt because that would give the taste, or the flavors would come out. It's a very simple salad. And here I'm adding some proteins into it. I have added the red kidney beans. You can add any beans you have. Dropping some bok choy leaves. Since I had these bok choy leaves, you can add normal any lettuce leaf or spinach, or you can add mint leaves, whatever leaves, kale leaves, whatever you have, you can drop that. This is the best way of making your family eat all type of veggies and getting all the micronutrients into the body. Here I am dropping a little bit of cheese. Yes, some olive oil goes into it. That is extra virgin olive oil. That would give a lovely taste to this salad. And I am going to toss a bit. Yes, little bit of tossing is required. You can mix it with your hand even, because as I said earlier, even hand works better while mixing the salad, because you can actually rub the flavor into it. And now again I am dropping some cheese into it. And now this goes for grilling. Yes, I am going to just grill it for 7 to 8 minutes. And see, after grilling, how lovely the cheese has melted. In fact, all the veggies have also become a bit tender. Doesn't it look gorgeous? See, can you see beautifully all the tomatoes? They have become a bit moist, and here comes the tasting time. And this tastes awesome. Lovely flavor of the leaves, the crunchy bread and the juicy tomatoes. What more would one want? Doesn't it look gorgeous? So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. And also don't forget, I also practice as a nutritionist. So if you want my diet consultation, don't forget to visit my description box and fill the form in it. I would love to contact you. Thank you.